This is the 7th grade worksheet for lesson 8 and I'll be covering it. Liana weighs 65.6 kilograms. What is the best estimate of her weight in pounds? And we're given a conversion, so for every 1 kilogram it's 0.5 pounds. So we just take this, we would just do 0.5 times this amount of kilograms. So times 0.5, and then you should get 0.6, you should get 32.6. These answers here are wrong, but like, if you were to do it correctly, you should get 32.6. I'll make sure to put pounds for units, but yeah. So the city hall is 28 meters high. Each floor is 3.5 meters high. How many floors does the city hall have? So if you imagine, it's going to be 128 meters high, and it has several floors. So all we have to do is do 28 divided by 3.5. And when you divide it, 28 divided by 3.5, you should get 98. Wait. Sorry, not 98. 28 divided by 3.5, you should get 8. That's just C. I think. Yeah. So for 3, it's Irene paid $14.20 for 4 kilograms of strawberries. What was the price of 1 kilogram of strawberries? So here we'd use a proportion. So let's put kilograms on top and money on the bottom. So first we're given 4 kilograms of strawberries, and for 4 kilograms of strawberries it's $4.14. And $14.20. And for the let's set that equal to 1 kilogram of strawberries, so we put 1 on top and then X on the bottom. And all we have to do is cross multiply. And we're able to set this proportion because the ratio of these two will be the same as 1 strawberry to their price. So 4 times X, that's 4X, and then 14.2, that's 14.2. Isolate X, and 14.2 divided by 4, that's 3.55. That means for 1 kilogram of strawberries, it's B, 3.55. So let's go on to the next one. Solve the problem below and mark the correct answer. Be sure to show your work. Here we get a negative 48.48 divided by negative 12. And so you know that when you're dividing a negative by a negative, it'll equal positive. So yeah, and then you just divide it. If you're using long division, you just go like this, 48. So how many times does 12 goes into 48? That's 4 times. So put the decimal there, then drop these two. How many times does 12 go into 48 here? That's 4 times. So you do that. Sorry, I forgot. You drop this one first. 12 can't go into 4, so you drop the 8 down. So then you can go into 4 there. So then it's 4.04. Answer C. So yeah. Hannah paid $11 for 4 meters of purple ribbon. How much did 1 ribbon cost? Same thing, we'll use a proportion. Let's put meters on top and money on the bottom. So 4 meters for $11. This ratio will be the same for 1 meter and its cost. So 1 meter and then X. Cross multiply, we have, sorry, let's get rid of this M because we don't need that. But 4 times X, that's 4X. And then 11 times 1, that's 11X. So you do 11 divided by 4. And then 11 divided by 4, that's 2.75. So yeah, it's B. Try doing 6 and 7 on your own. I'll put the answers. You should get A here too. So yeah, try them on your own and see if you get the correct answer. Here, let's just find the sum. So this is just PEMDAS basically. Let me just write it out. So this means that you have to do, well actually here you don't need to, actually you need PEMDAS for the second part, but for here you just add it from left to right. So negative 13 plus 5, so that's negative 8 plus negative 7. That just, since So negative 8 plus negative 7, that's the same thing as negative 8 minus 7. So then that would be negative 15. Because you know that this plus, when you multiply a plus to a negative 7, it just still becomes negative 7. For number 2, we have negative 18 plus negative 12. Same thing as negative 18 minus 12. That's negative 30 minus 19. And that's negative 49. Try 3 and 4 on your own. You should get negative 5.13. And then here you should get 1.6. But now here's where you need to use PEMDAS. Basically, the order you have to do is you have to do parentheses first, then exponent, which is like x to the 4th power. That's exponent. Then you do multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction. This is the order you have to do all your operations first. So, oh wait, actually, never mind. You don't need to use PEMDAS here, so just ignore it. But here it says evaluate the expression for the given value of x. So all you have to do is plug in this value for x. So we have 3 plus x, and here it says x equals 6. So you just substitute x for 6, and then you just do plus negative 7. You solve it. 3 plus 6, that's 9. Minus 7, that's 2. Same thing for here. We have x, and x is equals negative 3, so switch it for negative 3. Plus negative 5, that's basically it's minus 5, then plus 5. These two cancel out, so you just get negative 3. So try 3 and 4 on your own, and you should get 20.4 and negative 9.5.